Hello guys and welcome to today's video. My name is Jorge with DP Electric. Today we're going to be going over the hand bender. We're going to be going over all the markings that it has, what it means, when you would use them, and also everything, all the information that you will find on these hand benders. One of the first things you'll notice will be your arrow. This will be your arrow. You'll also find on the back side of it. This will be on the back side. That would be the front of your band. Next thing we have will be our notch. Again, it's found on both sides. The notch will be your center of the band. And you'll find your star, finally, your star again on both sides of your bender. That would be the back of your 90. We then move into the degrees of which you're bending your conduit to. You have your 10 degree, 22.5 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, and 60 degrees. Now we multiply each degree to a different multiplier. You'll find them on the back. Your 10 degree will be a multiple of 6. Your 22.5 will be a multiple of 2.6. Your 30 degree will be a multiple of 2. Your 45 degree will be a multiple of 1.4. And your 60 degree will be a multiple of 1.2. In a later video, we'll go into depth of why those degrees, why different multipliers. Another key handy thing that we have is this arrow up here on the center. That comes in handy when we're doing offset and you don't want to have what we call a dog leg, which when your pipe is going off to one side. So this right here will be a 1/2 inch EMT bender. We know because it tells you right here. Once you start moving into a 3/4 EMT bender, you'll be able to bend 1/2 inch rigid on that one. Then when you go to a 1 inch EMT bender, you'll be able to bend 3/4 rigid on that one. Another thing to take in mind is this right here. It says stub 5 inches to the top. That's for your stub 90. That one will change depending on the size of bender that you're using. In a 3/4 bender, you'll use a 6 inch deduct. In a 1 inch bender, you'll do an 8 inch deduct. And so forth for each bender. As it's getting bigger, it'll be a bigger deduct. But for your offsets, when you're using these degrees, with these multipliers, they will always stay the same. Nice little thing to know when you purchase your bender is they'll come with a sticker saying everything basically that I just went over. Your notch, your arrow, and your star, as well as your offset tables, as well as your shrinkage. And it also walks you through how to do a 3-point saddle. Now I will demonstrate a bend, mainly more for foot pressure and proper stand. So we will be doing a 90. You want to make sure that you're on a flat piece of surface. You want to go ahead and step on with 1 foot on the pipe. You never want to just pull right here. You want to add most of the pressure down here. Once you started your bend, you can go ahead and step on one step to the side. Open up more of your stand. Always keeping foot on the pedal, bending to your 90, taking it off, and at this point you will go ahead and verify with your level that you are at 90 degrees. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you on the next one.